All right. Anybody who's telling you to remove the dipper tray from a Model A Ford oil pan by turning it upside down and throwing it down on the front lawn is steering you completely wrong. What'll happen is you'll end up bending the corners and making this mating surface not good. So here's the way to do it. What you need is a piece of 2x4 that will span the gap right here. And then you need just a regular old C-clamp. This is a 5-inch. That'll work. With a 2x4, a 6-inch works a little bit better, but we'll be able to get it working here. You hook it underneath the dipper tray, you bridge the gap, and then just start raising it up. And there it goes, it already popped out. No need to slam it on the ground. No need to resort to brute force. And your dipper tray can then be easily removed.